What's up, friends? Justin Tuminowski from Deal Sauce. Hey, I got another one. And I just got off a live. We did about 2.5 hours. Every week I'm going on, typically doing a training, live training, hanging out with Deal Sauce members, Q&A, other deal strategies, things I'm working on, the deals that I'm doing, but also deals that you're doing. So number one, if you're not showing up to those, check it out because they're in the dashboard. Deal Sauce subscribers can only go to those. All right. This one's from Michelle. Michelle was on there and she's a doctor. She's busy. She's been with us with Deal Sauce since 2025. And since we went from 1.0 to 2.0, we went to the moon with 2.0. So proud of it. However, she's like, Justin, I'm so busy. I got to relearn some of this software. I just want to go through the property card. And that's what Michelle wants because she's not pulling lists. She's using it as a research companion. And I think that's why I'm always like, no matter what, if you're in real estate, you need a software like this. There's no ifs, ands, or buts, or you're living in the Stone Age. So you're looking at people, the buyers, the sellers, the owners, mailing address. Where do they live? What other assets do they own? The bedroom, bathroom count, square footage, aerial views, lot size. I mean, it goes on and on and on and on. How about research into market rentals and market rates? So this one is important. We're just going to go through the property card. I want to keep it somewhat short. So let's go into it. All right. We're on the property card now. So check it out. This is fun. This is actually a good one to actually show. This is Rogers, where my friend is a gator, and I think he was a gator on this deal. But you can see that this is on hold right now. It's been on market for 21 days, but it's actually a rental listing. We have the ability to search for rentals inside of Deal Sauce. How freaking cool is that? So do you have real comps, real-time MLS data right here at your fingertips? Yes, that's what Deal Sauce 2.0 is bringing. And I'm so proud. And that's not even why I'm talking about this. You got, obviously, if you wanted to get a hold of someone in Baltimore too and understand the rental market, do you think the listing agent right here is a good resource for you? I think so. Oh, look, we get your typical property information. So you get your address, you got your skip traceability. So it says Quick Acquisition LLC is the owner. We could skip trace that if we so choose, but we're not going to right now. You would just hit that button. And then you have the ability to manipulate that skip trace. 3-bed, 3-bath, give you your basic information. Now, every property is different. Every property card can be different because it's why. It's up to the assessor on what they actually give us for data sometimes. Now, of course, here's the cool fact. If the assessor is wrong, like check this out. This is a great thing that Deal Sauce does that no one else is doing. If there's a discrepancy in what we're seeing, we're going to flag that. Check this out. The assessor is not giving the square footage, but the landlord and the agent who are put this up on market for rent. Now, if this was for sale, it'd be the same thing. But we're showing you that it's 2,100 square foot, and then they're not showing you on the assessors. So I actually really like that. And that's sort of the thing we'll do here. We're trying to give more and more to get you guys equipped. But you can see, look at in August, someone had bought this for 195 grand. And I don't know, not long right after that, they put it up on market. Now it could be the same owner, sure. But they had a withdrawn listing at 210. Then it went for 195. So there's all your mortgage information, all the MLS, assessor only, or all. We go through a property snapshot. You get your listing agent information, parcel information, valuations, and tax cards. How about the financial outlook? There's a first position and a second position. My friend is the gator actually on the second position. All confirmed. Pretty awesome stuff. Let's check it out. He lent them $70,000 on September 2025. We have the seller's name again, or their business name, their mailing address, corporate. How about this? Look at the assets that could be owned by this real estate investor. So we're also giving you linked properties that they may also own. This is just one snapshot, guys. This is just beginnings. I'm going to try to streamline this for you. Then you go into property records. So this is your public record. That's typically what we're getting from the assessor. If this is on the MLS, look at your property remarks. There's a description of the property and all the extra information on here. One of my favorite outlooks right here is this map. Hone in on the parcel. We're going to give you a street view as well. So as we move on this street view, you can see my little guy over here is moving as well. How about this? If you were in a FEMA flood zone or a flood hazard, we're layering those maps on here for you. One of the funnest ones here, if this was not a rental, but if you were just looking to do comparables, we have a beautiful comp card here, comping properties for you, highlighting and showing you really some of the things that you're going to need to know: your average price, average sold price, median price. This is a rental, but if we so choose to, we can go pull up other assets. But for this instance, in this example, this is where you're going to do your comping. Now, I have a comp video, and we're not going to go into comping for today, but I want to just show you that this is the comping area. but be sure to check out the comping video. Previous sales, calculators, and market tracker. Without going into all of the things, previous sales, see the transaction. We gave you some quick and dirty calculators. I like doing max allowable offers. For some wholesale, I like doing just quick cash flow calculations. But how about just a mortgage calculator? I love just being able to go, all right, cool. I'm doing a seller finance. The seller wants 5% on $350,000 over 15 years. What is that number? Quickly calculate that. And then let's see if we have any market tracking. Like we're gonna throw you fair market rents. And other markets, we're gonna give you more comprehensive data. We're giving you at least the bedroom fair market rents up into a 4-bedroom at 2,300. Pretty awesome. So again, giving you enough. Let's go into AI. Now I'm gonna make another video on this because it deserves its own video, but I want you to know, what do we have in here? Boom. Deal evaluation action now, Dean AI. And this is our AI companion. This is just the first version, but this is really something pretty special. I want you guys to dive in there, especially if you're looking to need assistance on a property. Livability score. Let's get into this. Something else people aren't doing. We're showing you like ratings and the scores based on this area. How about the transit? For my folks doing co-living and my people out there who need to understand, like, hey, is this walkable? Where's the closest bus stops? Look at, you got Preston Street, 2 miles away. Stop number 2 is 2 miles away. Pretty awesome. How about for safety? We're giving you, it's a high crime area. Let's just say what it is. I don't know better, but we're going to give you drug offenses, all the things you need to know to make informed decisions, because we are real estate investors. We're not speculators. Now we have to make the best educated guess that we can before we buy something, right? Do our due diligence. So I want you guys getting all the information as best as you can. This is why Deal Sauce is awesome. So that is just the property card. I'm just scratching the surface in this software. I just wanted to go through at a small level on what we have to offer you. Let's say Deal Sauce 1.0 could not do this. Deal Sauce 2.0 now can. So let's say maybe you want to look at the neighbors. I'm going to hit this icon. Let's go look at the neighbors. All right. Vertex T LLC. Let's see. Hey, this is a comp over here. I'm on the other end of the building, the third one in. Let's see what they're up to. What did that property sell for? What does it look like? Is it a cookie cutter just like mine? All right. There is another one, $158,000. Deborah Blackwell. If I choose to get into this card, we can. All right. But I hope you enjoyed this Deal Sauce video, getting around, navigating the property cards. Super easy, super simple. And I just need to understand that the data's here. You just need to get yourself in here, stick with it. This is all you need as a companion in your real estate journey. And I will see you in the next video. Appreciate you guys.